Hi, it's Trina. Welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of my new hands-free jowl mask from 7E Wellness. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 47 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices and skincare. So if you're interested in these topics, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, and I have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices. And that is where I found out about this jowl mask. I didn't even know that this existed. And so many of you were posting in the Facebook group asking for a tutorial. And so I reached out to 7E Wellness, got the mask and learned how to use it, and now I'm gonna do the tutorial today. So thank you so much to everybody who commented to let me know that this exists. I was aware of the other 3 masks that 7E Wellness makes: the eye mask, the forehead mask, and the lip mask. And the jowl mask works the same way. It's a hands-free mask that you attach to your existing Myolift devices. So I'm gonna show you today how to use it with the Myolift Mini and the QT. And why would you use a mask like this? It's a really great treatment if you're feeling lazy, because you literally plug it in and then lay back and let the mask and the device do the work for you. It does not replace the probes or the gloves. Those are still going to give you the best results, but these masks smooth fine lines and wrinkles, tone and firm your muscles, and they boost ATP, they build collagen. So they're doing all the things that microcurrent does. It's not going to give you the same results as you get from using the probes and the gloves, because you can really manipulate your face in a different way. This is much more of a passive way to get your microcurrent fix, and I love these because I do get really lazy. As you know, I'm testing so many different devices, I'm using so many devices, so it's really great to have this as an option. So the 7E Wellness protocol includes using it for 10 minutes at 300 intensity on erase mode, followed by 10 minutes of 300 intensity educate mode. And you can control that all with your Myolift Mini device, so I'm gonna walk you through that. And if you have the QT, you just use the app and find the routine, and I'm gonna walk you through that today. You do not need to use any gel. You will need your lead wire that came with your device. This mask is reusable up to 15 times. It comes on a plastic sheet here, so you just take it off and use it, and then you can put it back on for up to 15 uses, so it is reusable. My skin is clean and dry. I don't have anything on my skin. You don't want to use gel, you just use the masks as they are, which is great because it makes it less messy and a lot easier to use than the probes. Here's my lead wire for my Myolift Mini. It has the USB end, which is a little bit different from the QT. So I just plug it into the back of the device here, like that. And then I will take these plugs and put them into either side of the mask. And then I'm going to take the plastic off of the back, and I'm gonna set the plastic aside because I am gonna put the mask back on that when I'm done. And then see how there's a place in the middle that doesn't have the black sticky pads that conduct the microcurrent? That's the part in the middle that I'm gonna put at the bottom of my chin here. And then I'm going to just apply the sticky pads along my jawline like a chin strap. And then I take the cord and I wrap it around my ears to keep it on. So you can see here how it looks just like a chin strap. And I'm just gonna press it to make sure it's nice and close to my skin. So it's definitely on my jowls here and along my jawline. I'm gonna do 10 minutes on erase at 300 intensity, so I just turn it on and I do intensity 300 and I put it down to 10 minutes time. So you can see here, intensity 300, erase 10 minutes, and it's going to be on pause when you first turn it on, so then I hit run, and then I just sit back for 10 minutes and let it do its thing. I don't feel anything, but just keep in mind when you're using microcurrent, you don't always feel it, so it doesn't mean it's not working. And that was the beep to let me know that time is up, so then I switch to educate, and I'm doing again 300 intensity, and I set it for 10 minutes. Here's what it looks like. And then I hit run, and we're off. And you literally just sit back and let the device do the work for you. I feel like the adhesive against my skin, but I don't feel much. Maybe a slight tingling in my teeth and I taste the metallic, but that's about it. So the 10 minutes are up and now I'm gonna switch to show you how to use it with the QT. I've got the lead wire plugged into the QT here. And I'm going to replace the plugs from the Mini with the plugs for the QT. Now normally you would just do one or the other, you wouldn't do these sequentially like this, you would choose one or the other device to use it with because you wouldn't do this twice. So this is just a tutorial. I just want to make that clear. So I plug these in. I set it behind my ears again to keep my chin strap on. I'm going to open up my QT app. And I'm going to turn on the device to connect it via Bluetooth. I am going to go into settings and I'm going to pick the hands-free jowl mask. And it says 20 minutes. That sounds right because that's what it was on the Mini. And it's connecting. I've cleansed my face already. I've got it all set up. It will walk you through setting it up and getting the plugs all ready and removing it from the plastic and putting it on your face. And now it's saying that it's doing first stretch, which is the same as erase on the Mini. So I just hit the plus sign and wow, I can feel this so much more. That's so interesting. It's on low intensity stretch, but I felt it like right away when I hit start. I could feel like a burst of current go into my face. I can taste it in my mouth. Like I can feel it in my teeth and I can taste it, the metallic in my mouth. That's so interesting how it's a lot stronger. I thought it was because the way that the probes were placed on your face, that's why you feel this device more than the Mini, but really interestingly, I feel this a lot more. I wonder why that is. I should ask 7E Wellness for sure. This is going to run for 10 minutes and I just have to sit back and relax. And when this is done, I'm going to take this mask off and hopefully we'll see a difference in how my jowls look. My jowls have been bothering me so much lately, and I don't really notice them when I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I notice it when I look at my videos I'm creating for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. I see this area of my face starting to get a little lax and loose, and it bothers me. So I'm thrilled to be using this jowl mask today. I think my two top areas that I'm working on always the most are my hooded eyes and my jowls. Those are my two problem areas. Let me know down in the comments below, what are your top problem areas? There's so many areas that all of us are working on. I'm just so curious to know, like, what are your top trouble areas? Okay, the 10 minutes are up and it switches automatically to intensity low waveform lift. And I definitely can still feel it. I feel it in my teeth. I feel like a twitching in my teeth. I feel like the electricity in my teeth and I can taste the metallic. So really interesting. It's again stronger than the Mini. And it's just going to continue on for 10 minutes and then I'll be done. And then I'm going to take it off and show you how my face looks. Okay, the 10 minutes are up and now it's asking me how am I progressing. I'm going to skip this for now and I'm going to take off the mask and show you how my face looks. So I just peel it off. And let's see. It's kind of hard to tell from using it just one time, but it definitely feels good. Do you notice any difference? Now, what I like to do to get the mask ready for the next use is I have these little alcohol wipes, these prep pads that I get off Amazon. I'll link to them if you're interested in getting some of these. I just take one and I open it up and I then will just swipe the back of the mask here just to clean it off and make sure that it's all ready for the next use. So I just wipe it off. This is what I do with most of my devices actually. I just wipe it off with one of these prep pads and then I'll let it dry. I'll let the alcohol evaporate and then I will unplug it from the lead wire and then I will just place it back on the plastic here. I'll just place it back on, so that it is ready for the next use. It's really, really sticky, so you want to make sure that it's on the plastic and not just on a surface where it's going to stick to. The plastic is back on and it is ready for the next use. So it really is that simple. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and please subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!